quality camera.
I got the hiccups. I got the hiccups. I got the hiccups. I got the hiccups.
This is like really milky woman in front of us. Holy freaking lady shit. There is a hill and it is pretty damn awesome. Little bitch. I don't even know where we are now.
I got the hiccups.
Watch this! Oh yeah! You roll down that hill, Belena.
Let's go to the left, yeah? Walk round to the pub.
To the left. And not to the right because that would just be awkward for everybody. Where the fuck are we going? Holy fucking cow! Do you like it?
I got the hiccups.